Let's do this. Okay, y'all, I just pulled in a Pig Trail Harley-Davidson, and let me just tell you, a miracle has already occurred, okay? I'm 15 minutes early to my biker class. That's a miracle in and of itself. Second of all, I want to be the best biker chick possible. So, we're starting out strong with this, a stick of gum. They say, if you chew on something minty, you'll have a better chance of concentrating, and I want to concentrate. I'm going to be the best biker chick in Northwest Arkansas. The best I can be. Here we go. We're gonna make this happen.
The D ring is check brake fluid. I don't have to do that. Slower than you think you need.
Feeling pretty good. Getting more confident the more I do this.
You know, we talk about being committed to safety.
Yeah.
Okay. I can see that you are really committed to safety because you're not only wear your helmet when you're riding the motorcycle, but you wear your helmet when you're driving your Jeep.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's speed it up a little bit. Somebody hit the cone. Somebody hit the cone. It was not me. Keith hung this up and looked at me when he did it.
Got a little problem with y'all in that I'm getting very little golf claps for these demos. There we go.
Keep your head up. Like there's a life lesson there. Keep your head up. Oh, that was a little jerky.
She is doing great. New rider, never ridden before. She's doing great. Good job, Christy.
I didn't even brake. I think I was supposed to.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to take a series of 7 steps down this line. This is a straight line. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Begin.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I was supposed to go to 7.
We're gonna put this on you.
Oh.
And this is what's called a fatal vision goggle. If you can zoom in on that, that equates to a blood alcohol content of 0.07 to 0.1.
2, 3, 4. Yeah, I would not put me on a motorcycle at this point.
What's the message that you have for people?
That never, ever, ever drink anything or take any kind of drugs before you get on, or prescription. Don't take anything before you get on a motor vehicle, especially a motorcycle. Whoops. I feel the need for speed. Andrea, can you hear me? Keith, how would you evaluate my performance so far?
You have done great in comparison to what you started with yesterday.
Okay, like taking out all the cones?
She was like 1 minute late today.
So weird.
We have an unspoken rule that Christy didn't know about. That unspoken rule is that if she's late, even by 1 minute, she has to buy donuts for the whole class tomorrow. And she can't be late tomorrow either.
Man, that's so weird. I'm never late. I don't know why that happened today. I have no problem getting donuts. I'm actually very open to that idea, Keith.
Okay, great.
Okay, y'all, final day. I'm getting tested today on the bike for inspiration. This is in my bedroom. It says be brave. Just keeping my eye on that sign. I've got my Pikes Peak socks I'll be wearing from Colorado, because this is the pinnacle, right? This is the final. This is what we've all been trying to get to right here today, the testing day. Just trying to smooth things over with the instructors, you know what I'm saying? He's so excited he's taking photos of the cookies.
Christy just passed the class by bringing half-baked cookies to class.
1,
2, finish strong!
This card right here means I passed the class. Thank you both.
Congratulations, Christy.
Mike and Keith both were phenomenal instructors, and now I feel like I could go out and ride a motorcycle.
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yes.